is beautiful. It's the best present I've ever received. Arthur, you're perfect.
She's right, Arthur. You are perfect.
You're a grade A grandson.
Here, dear. It's the Little Angel Award.
Wow.
A special prize only given to perfect children.
What about me, Grandma? Aren't I perfect too?
You're almost perfect, honey.
Come on, everyone. We better hurry or we'll be late for the parade.
What a turnout for this Heroes of the 20th Century parade. There's Albert Einstein, moving much slower than the speed of light. And Mahatma Gandhi, showing no resistance, passive or otherwise, to this adoring crowd. And is that... Yes, it is! It's the Arthur Reed Balloon!